Hey, I'm Darlene and you're watching part 2 of my tutorial on how to draw faces from the side. This is a short bonus clip on how to age your characters. If you don't have a face to test this out on, you can go to part 1 to learn how to draw one. Please note that these are line drawings, so the topic of shading will not be covered in this video. I want to age these faces by about 30 years or so that in the end, they'll look to be about 60 years old. We'll start with the obvious. Wrinkles. These are especially prominent at the end of the eye, the nose wing, corner of the mouth, and along the forehead. If you're following these steps, use very light lines, otherwise they won't look very much like wrinkles. Feather the end of your strokes as well, so the lines fade out gradually instead of ending abruptly. He doesn't look that old yet, just tired. So how about we add a bit of puffiness under the eye? Just draw something similar to a U shape under his eye. As he ages further, the skin will lose a lot of elasticity and plumpness, so everything will kind of sag down. I'm pushing the brow down by a few millimeters, and also the nose. You can take some plumpness out of the lip by flattening it down, making it less curvy. I'm gonna let the bottom lip kind of hang down a bit to show the effect of gravity on the overhanging skin. Let's flatten that chin as well. Let's assume he doesn't go to the gym very often. He might develop extra body fat and find it difficult to lose the weight, especially as he ages. Some fat tissue might build up around his neck and jawline. And with the reduced level of elasticity in the skin, he might start to develop a small pouch under his neck. Let's add some padding to the jawline by moving it down lower, and also take away some definition by lightening it or erasing it completely. To make the character look even older, we can make the bags under his eyes appear puffier by making them bigger and deeper. Let's also elongate those previously drawn wrinkles, making some of them appear wavy, and deepen them by making the thickest parts slightly darker. The end of the wrinkle should still feather out. We can add additional creases on the nose, and under the bottom lip as well, wherever the skin can get scrunched up. It will help to draw some subtle wrinkles along the neck. Remember to use light strokes so they look more realistic. You can make the neck outline more bumpy for added effect. The earlobe might sag down as well. Wrinkles can also be added around the ear. Here are 2 last details that will complete his transformation. The nostril can be pushed down, as well as the skin above the top eyelid. This gives him a more tired expression. Here's a before and after, at age 30 and at age 60 or so. A larger individual with more body fat might look a lot younger because their skin may appear more full, masking the appearance of wrinkles as well as loose skin. Let's do the same thing for our female character. Adding wrinkles along the eye, nose, lips, and forehead. Give her some puffy under eyes. The bigger and deeper you draw these U shapes under the eye, the older she'll look. To make her look even older, we can stretch out the previously drawn wrinkles so they're longer and make them wavier. The thinner and lighter the ends of these wrinkles are, the better. As you can probably tell, I'm trying to do the aging in stages. That's why I'm adding a little bit at a time. Add some fine lines under the lip. If your character has more of a flat lip, they probably won't have many wrinkles here, or none at all. The only part of her face that looks old is what we just worked on, so it kind of makes it look as though she's wearing a disguise. Let's fix that by pushing her nose down and making the lips and chin less plump. I'm gonna say they're a married couple and their lifestyle and health are quite similar, so let's also pack on some weight around her neck. Actually, let's give her a little more weight. Bring that neckline down, introducing a crease for every added chin. I'm going to erase the jawline and replace it with some creases beyond where the jawline used to be. Now, I've noticed that some people who wear earrings on their lobe usually have elongated earlobes, even young people in their 30s. I guess that depends on how frequently they wear earrings and how heavy the jewelry is. Anyway, I'm giving her a piercing that is less of a circle shape and more of a line instead, because the piercing has been stretched over the years. And I'm going to draw an extra long earlobe to indicate her years of wearing heavy earrings. We can move her eyelid crease down a little to show just how much the skin is weighing down on her eye. Let's also push the nostril down, creating a flatter shape. Here's the total transformation before and after. I hope you enjoyed this tiny tutorial. I thought it would be a fun thing that you could do with your sketches from part 1. If you do something like this, I'd love to see your before and after photos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more, click on my face to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thanks for watching!